Honorable Chairs, esteemed Delegate. The Democratic People's Republic of Korea stands firm in its commitment to shaping the future of education in a manner that prioritizes ideological clarity, national unity, and unwavering discipline, rather than through so-called progressive education filled with distractions like creativity and free thought. This year, the DPRK is not only presiding over the Supreme International Council for Knowledge Optimization, or the SICO, but also the National Union for Knowledge and Enlightenment, or the NUC. Through these esteemed organizations, we have gathered invaluable insights into the most effective education systems. But we don't wish this knowledge to remain confined, and hence today, we proudly propose the establishment of a United Nations Department of Juche-oriented nurturing and guidance, short, the UNJONG. The UNJONG will ensure that education worldwide aligns with the values that have led our nations to unparalleled success. This weekend is the time to question and qualify what we call education. We, the DPRK, urge all nations to follow our path to secure the future for the next generations. Thank you.